it can be hard to distinguish real treatments from pseudoscience. You know, BS like aromatherapy. Or is it? Because a new study out of the Department of Neurobiology and Behavior at UC Irvine demonstrated they could improve the memory of older adults using an aromatherapy protocol. And this is actually based in many years of previous research showing the connection between olfaction and cognition and memory. We believe this is because olfaction is the only sense that actually goes diffusely throughout the brain and directly connects to the limbic system. All of our other sensory systems go through some sort of intermediary in the brain to process all of the data. For example, things like the specific visual or auditory cortices. And animal studies show that, for example, in mice, providing novel olfactory stimulation, meaning multiple different kinds of smells, induces improved memory and neurogenesis in the brain. That's the formation of new connections. And we also know that in humans, a number of studies have shown that a loss of olfaction can often predict the later onset of dementia. In this most recent study, they gave older adults aged 60 through 85 odorant diffusers to use at night that contained essential oils. They were instructed to turn the diffuser on and use one of 7 different oils each night, and the oils lasted about 2 hours. And they rotated through these 7 oils for a 6-month period. So basically getting about 2 hours of essential oil aromatherapy each night for 6 months. And when compared to a control group that did the same thing for 6 months but with distilled water, they found that this group had a significant increase in their memory performance. And that's at the individual level, meaning they tested these people before and after the experiment was done. And they also used fMRI to examine any potential brain differences and found significant modification of what's called the uncinate fasciculus. That's a tract in the brain that we know is associated with memory formation. And I think this study is a great example of an easy intervention that almost sounds too good to be true. You know, the kind of thing we often associate with snake oil. Which is why